Maja Salvador, Catherine Bernardo's separate tense on Someone Someday set. Here's why. Her Majesty Maja Salvador revealed the reason why she and Asia superstar Catherine Bernardo did not stay in the same tent on the set of their new series Someone Someday. In a recent interview, the actress-dancer talked about her new acting project. This see a series featuring the first-time on-screen partnership of Catherine and actor James Reid. Maja shared that on the set of the series, she and Catherine chose to have separate tents. In an interview based on the article in Filipino Star Ngayon, Maja did not deny that she and Catherine stayed in different tents. Her Majesty said that it was for the efficiency of the both of them. Oo, kasi nga pag magkasama kami sa tent, wala tayong matatapos na eksena. Dahil bilang mag-ate sa totoong buhay, ano talaga, ang dami naming hindi kami natatapos magkwentuhan, Maja Salvador shared. The older actress also shared that they had difficult scenes and it would not be helpful if they had their chikahan and they would just abruptly switch to their characters. So ang hirap talaga, kaya pagdating sa location, separate na agad kami ni Kath para hindi na magkwentuhan, she said.